welcome back to Crazy Nick, where I help you get rid of your boredom and relate to many stuff. This is your girl Srikriti Gupta, and I know it's been a long time ever since I have come here, but let's not take that into fact, okay? Like, forget it. There is somebody with me today, as you can see. I am sure my viewers know who she is. She is my Shishta. Hi Shishta. Okay. Today I'm going to get to know her a lot more better than I usually do, and I'm going to give you guys the why can't I spell it? Allowance to know both of us much more better than you ever did. Hey, sorry for interrupting the video, but while I was editing it today, I realized I missed a really important point that I had to share with you all. Shoutouts on my channel are resuming from this very video, so if you want to get your shoutouts, make sure you see this video till the very end to know the rules, because they are different and a lot more exciting than the previous shoutouts I had on my channel. Enjoy. Bye. So, not wasting any more time of yours and mine, let's go. Let's do this cousin tag, okay? Hashtag cousin tag. So I'm having a bunch of questions which I want to ask both of us, and I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's just get into this. Okay, sorry, I'm going to call you Yashasvi. Hi Yashasvi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Very good. Okay, so what's your favorite memory together of ours? That's very difficult question. We have so many memories जो मैं भूल ही गई होंगी basically, but
मेमोरी हम एक साथ बैठकर लैपटॉप में वीडियो बनाते.
Yeah, and then you became such a creepy. Okay, आप लोग यकीन नहीं करोगे, इसको मनाने में मुझे पूरी जिंदगी लग गई है. Tell our favorite memory together.
Okay, enjoying together in Durga Puja.
Oh my god, I miss Durga Puja. So bad. Okay, I think I have absolutely no memory at all.
Oh my god.
That's again a really big question, actually.
One eternity later.
Never mind. Okay, so describe each other in 3 words.
Describe each other in 3 words.
Let me go first. I think soul sister. Like, obviously you are a sister, but you are also my soul. So soul sister. Also because हम दोनों जो भी सोचते हैं एक साथ सोचते हैं, गाना भी गाते हैं, तो सेम गाना सेम टाइम पे निकलता है मुंह से. So yeah, soul sister, or I guess soch sister would be preferred. Second, I guess she's such a cutie.
Thank you.
Okay, and a Maddie. Your turn.
सब तो तुमने बोल दिया.
I said about you. You say about me.
देखो मैडी तो तुम भी हो.
Okay, yeah.
क्यूटी भी तुम भी हो.
Okay. Now don't copy my answers now.
Okay. Let's think something else. झगड़ा नहीं.
Oh, I bet nobody said that before.
I know you know.
Third question, what's something that annoys you about me? For me, ये बेमतलब हंसती है. Like, बेमतलब इसको just देखो, ये नीचे गिर के हंस रही होगी. And you have no reason. You may be pissed off and वो नीचे जमीन पे लुढ़क रही होगी हंसते हंसते. That annoys me a lot. Tell fast. I don't want to make this video a Mahabharata epic.
Watching mobile every time.
Yeah, that's the first time you saw me in mobile. Nah? Before I didn't have a mobile. This is the first time you have seen me with my
This
mobile.
annoys me every time now.
Okay, I see. Okay, what's the most embarrassing moment you had faced in front of me? In front of her? My most embarrassing moment is when I'm getting scolded by my parents. Why do you scold me in front of her?
15 minutes later.
मुझे कुछ embarrassing नहीं.
She's always open now. Fifth question. If you had to choose a superpower, what would that be and why? Nice question. Thanks to me, you know. Tell me. I guess I'll choose between compelling others, like super speed, or healing very quick. Like you don't have to die after you get shot.
हाँ अमर तो मैं भी होना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, like there is a loophole in everything. Na? So you will get killed by some way or the other, but that's not as common as a human dies. It's going to be a bit different, a bit difficult.
Mind reading is perfect.
I agree. But why would you like always keep hearing everyone's thoughts, you know? अगर मेरा दिमाग पढ़ा जाएगा, so it's always gonna be a music, or it's going to be cringe talks that I do with myself. I overthink a lot, so it's going to be everything exaggerated. अगर तुम्हारा किसी ने दिमाग पढ़ लिया तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चलता है हमेशा? अगर मैं तुम्हारा दिमाग पढ़ पाऊँ तो what's going to be that I hear?
तुम हर वक्त मोबाइल क्यों देखती?
Do you sing in the shower? What song were you singing today? Okay, tell this. Do you sing in shower?
Perfect question. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same. Everybody does.
Today I was singing Dil Ko Karana because I heard it this morning.
Nice song.
तुझ पे है प्यार आया.
Pehli pehli da. Oh yara. Okay, this is going to be a short jamming session. I don't remember what I sang today because I sing like a series of many songs, and I also have a really, strong talk with myself in the shower. I don't know, maybe some Billie Eilish song. Maybe I was singing. Okay. I was singing Olivia Rodrigo's song Favorite Crime. Okay, one thing I can do that my cousin can't.
Playing a guitar.
Playing badminton like a superior power. She's so good at it. She's so fit and she has that stamina which I never will be able to get in my entire life. So yeah. What time do you get up? Embarrassing because she wakes up a lot earlier than I ever did.
Generally 7:30 a.m.
And on holidays? That is not fixed. Whenever you wake up by your own instincts. I wake up generally at 8:30 because I have classes from 9 to 10.
1 hour later.
Yes, I've always woken up later than now. And on holidays, it's always going to be 10. Who would say having class 10? Anyone? Oh, that made a rhyme. Okay. The next question is, when's the last time you hugged me?
The last time I hugged you after your quarantine was over.
It's been so long. You haven't hugged me ever that? Ever that?
Never after that.
Ever after that? Oh. Oh, I'm going to miss you. Okay, now this is the this or that time which I'm going to ask you first and then you're going to ask me, okay? So this is your set of questions. This or that. Coffee or lemon tea?
I'll choose coffee.
Darjeeling or Kolkata?
That's not fair.
I know your weaknesses. Tell me.
Okay, I'll choose Darjeeling.
Okay. Brothers or sisters?
Always sisters.
Okay. Ludo or business? It's Ludo for me. We had a very good time playing Ludo this
Ludo.
time.
Okay, I'll choose Ludo too.
Jeans or frocks?
Generally, I don't wear jeans, but I like jeans.
Oh. Now it's your turn to ask me your set of this or that. I don't know what she has written. Obviously, she doesn't know what I had in my pitara.
Online classes are classroom.
Classroom forever.
Rudrapur or Durgapur.
Always Durgapur. How is that even a question?
Dancing or singing.
Now that is what a question should be like. Oh my god. I think singing because you cannot dance without singing, but you can sing without dancing.
Monsoon or summer.
Monsoon.
Why?
I love monsoon because it's वो खुशबू जो होती है ना मिट्टी की वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है और ठंडी ठंडी हवा बहती है. It's always very pleasant and happy.
तेरा यार हूँ मैं और मैडम सर.
This is a sub TV serial preference in case you do not watch it. So I think Madam Sir. I used to really prefer Tera Yaar Hu Main, but ever since the storyline changed, it has not been that hooking, if that's a word. I don't know. Next question. Describe the last thing you did with me, not today.
Last thing I went with you to Haldiram and we enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, we enjoyed a lot. The food. Oh God. And she was just spent the entire time figuring out how to break this damn thing. And
You two did so.
No, I knew how to eat it. I just did and the small chota ball went into the bada ball. It merged together. Next is, which one of us is short-tempered? Obviously. Is that even a question? I am so short-tempered, right? ये हंस देती है हर चीज में, इसको गुस्सा नहीं आता, मुझे गुस्सा ही आ जाता है हर चीज पे.
I don't remember when.
See, that's not short-tempered, you are long-tempered. When is the last time we ever had an argument? अभी इसको मनाने में जान चली गई कि यार बना ले वीडियो. What's the weirdest conversation we ever had?
Weirdest conversation.
I don't know. Weird conversations हम हाँ होते रहते होंगे. इतने होते हैं कि याद नहीं है.
सब weird.
Yeah, we both are weirdos.
Conversation
Like weirdos. Yeah. Tell me all the nicknames you ever had. This is going to be a long segment. We can make an entire video about how many nicknames we ever got in the entire life.
My nicknames are very funny.
Count and tell us all the nicknames you ever had.
First is
Donna, obviously.
okay, Donna.
Next
is Golo. Second is Tora.
Yeah.
Third is my father calls me often Gundu.
Okay, Bengali names. Okay.
Yes, I don't want to share any more nicknames.
Okay, let's see. Shona, Babu, Babai, Baban, Rosie. I guess I'm being called Tunnu.
No.
Who is Tunnu? No one is Tunnu. I'm Tunnu. I'm Tunnu. Who calls you Tunnu? I guess Bandal. Tunnu calls you. Tunnu calls you. So body calls me Rosie, but others call me Tunnu as your name is Tora. See, we have four. Tinni, Tona, Tunnu, Tora. Yeah, see.
Yes, that is a long, deep conversation. I said you. And what else? Lolo. Yeah, Lolo. I don't remember. Let it be. 17th question is, guess your cousin's shoe size. I don't know. 7? 6? 7, sorry. 6 or 5?
6.
Yeah, I'm right. Guess my shoe size.
Your shoe size? 9.
Not yet. 9. Those are custom made shoes. वो दुकान पे नहीं मिलते. I'm 8. I guess 8.
एक कम बोल देती तो.
I got yours right, so I get the plus point. Best memory of a place you visited without me.
There is Puri, we enjoyed a lot there.
I guess
don't
Puri
remember
would be
what
for
we
me
did in
also.
Puri because I was so small at that time, I don't remember where we go.
I think Puri has been a lovely experience for me too.
But I remember that Konark temple we visited.
Me too. So Puri had been a really wonderful. I guess there are many places which I can name. I can name Nainital because I have been there with my family friends and it's been a blast. Maybe
I've also gone to Kolkata, Darjeeling, etc.
Yeah.
Digha.
I guess Pangot, we had a really good time and I'm sure because I have shared that video with you. So if you have not watched, I'm going to link it somewhere over here and also in the description. You can go watch that vlog, Pangot's vlog. And also Shirdi has been a really good experience every time I have been there. So I think. Okay, so we have the 19th question. Who's a big foodie? Me!
For me, it's me.
Yeah, for everybody is a foodie, right? So सब अपने लिए foodie होते हैं, but I think I am elder and bigger than you, so I eat more. 20th question. Who is more active on social media? I mean, is that a question? She answered it in the entire video so many times. Yeah, the pointers are correct. Obviously, because I have accounts and she doesn't. She chochu bacha. But I'm going to wait for another 5 to 10 years for you to come on Instagram so that we follow each other, okay?
I won't follow you.
You're so bad, mean girl. Now that my pitara of questions are over, Yashasvi has 5 questions she wants to ask both of us. So let's go. Tell.
Do you love long hair? Why?
Yeah, I do love long hair because it looks beautiful. But yeah, there's no but. I love long hair. It's difficult to maintain those.
That's a point. मुझे भी long hair अच्छे लगते हैं पर मेरी मर्जी कौन सी.
She's a player, see. She plays badminton. She needs to stay all sweat free and sweat is a huge matter of inconvenience which she needs to
इतना
avoid.
ज़्यादा कट कर देने की.
It's okay. It's going to grow its hair. It's not your backbone which is never going to heal. Yeah, that's the only part in the human body which does not heal after getting damaged. Chalo, 10. Very biological.
Do you love outdoor games? If you love, then which one?
Yeah, no, I'm definitely not a sports person. Not at all. I am. No, I love playing basketball. But that's the only game which also I do not know how to play completely.
Any common game?
I like playing badminton with people who do not know playing badminton. Like पहले मैं इसके साथ खेलती थी, then it used to be very fun because I used to win and she was so terrible, even more terrible than I was. Obviously, I used to win, so who does not like winning? And now that she is a professional player, she is so much more better than I am, so it's not a question to defeat her in any way now.
Next question, that's 23rd. Who is your favorite singer? I guess I know that.
Tell.
Billie Eilish.
Yeah, okay. For Hollywood, I'm definitely not a Hollywood listener, but कुछ गिने चुने हैं जो I completely favor. So only 2 I think. Billie Eilish जिसके सारे गाने मुझे मुंह जुबानी याद है, 1-2 छोड़ के जो बहुत underrated है. And Olivia Rodrigo, I love her. She's my recent obsession. But India में there are lot many people. I think the recent obsession in Bollywood is going to be Anuj Jain. And I love Shreya Ghoshal also. Your ones.
Which singer?
Your ones. Favorite singer is a difficult question.
सब अच्छे गाते हैं. I'll choose Arijit Singh.
Yeah, understandable.
Second last question. Do you remember your first day of your crazy Nick? Which day was it?
No, I do not remember the day or date, but I do remember I was so excited. I had planned just the day before I made the video, and I knew what I had. I knew the topic, I knew the name, I knew the DP, I knew everything. Everything was so planned. So I know the first video. I do not know when it was released or it was made, but I know the first video. It was beautiful. It was so exciting.
Okay, now the last question.
Yay! This is going to be a super long video, but never mind. I have come after a long time, so it's okay if I make a huge video to, compensate the other Wednesdays.
Okay, last question. Do you love chocolates? Which one?
Yeah, everybody loves chocolate.
Which one?
Big chocolate, costly ones.
Mehenga wala.
हाँ, महंगा वाला.
कोई नाम लो.
Bonvilla, I love Bonvilla. Dairy Milk Bubbly, Dairy Milk, Oreo. These are costly and yummy chocolates, so everybody love. Your
First
favorite?
of all, मैं कहूँगी Choco Minis and Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher मैंने जिंदगी तो नहीं कहेंगे, but आज तक बस एक बार ही खाया है.
मैंने 2 बार खाया है.
But it's so yummy.
I had Choco Minis when she met me last year.
Yeah, Choco Minis are so yummy.
When she met me.
Last when she met, or when I met you 2 years ago. Time
That time you
flies.
gave me.
I gave you. I remember. I have been a Choco Mini fan also. So अगर आप लोगों को हम दोनों में से किसी पे प्यार आ जाए, कितनी क्यूट बच्चियां हैं, तो चॉकलेट भिजवा देना मेरे घर पे. हाँ, या तो चॉकलेट भिजवा देना घर पे. हाँ, चॉको मिनीज का एक डिब्बा है इसके लिए और मेरे लिए एक बबली भेज देना. हाँ, वी वुड बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल. बस भेज देना बस. So no, next. It's over. So it was so fun to make this video. I know it was such a, war to convince her to make this video, but at last she enjoyed making it and I'm so happy that she did. आपको कुछ कहना है मैडम? हमारे चैनल पे आप आए हैं, हमारे दर्शकों को कुछ कहिए, मेरे बारे में कहिए, लोगों को कहिए कि सब्सक्राइब कर दे चैनल को.
Yes, subscribe to her channel.
Both the channels, I am going to link the music channel also, जहाँ पे वीडियो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बहुत जल्दी आएगी. बोलो लाइक कर दे, कमेंट कर दे, शेयर कर दे.
Just like, comment and share this video.
या सब्सक्राइब अगर मेरे लिए ना भी करो तो इसकी क्यूटनेस के लिए कर देना, कि सब सोचते हैं ना
तो बहुत सारे लाइक्स हैं.
हाँ, तो आ जाए. लोग सोचते हैं कि डोना इज हाउ क्यूट, योर सिस्टर इज सो क्यूट. तो अगर ये क्यूट लगती है आपको तो उसकी मतलब एक काम कीजिए. अगर ये क्यूट लगती है आपको तो एक सब्सक्राइब ठोकिए और एक लाइक का बटन, और जितनी क्यूट लगती है उतने लोगों को शेयर कीजिए. अगर आपको लगती है कि 100% क्यूट है तो 100 लोगों को शेयर कीजिए. 2% क्यूट है तो 2 लोगों को शेयर कीजिए. बट कीजिए.
जनरली नहीं लगने वाला, आई थिंक सो.
Yeah, but never mind. You can share it to 2 people. Every single person watching this, if he or she shares to 2 person, it's going to be a big favor. बहुत लंबा आउटरो हो गया. हाँ, हम चलते हैं जी. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
Be uniquely crazy. Bye. Okay, so now let's talk about the rules for the shoutouts. I'm so excited to present in front of you this brand new idea which I had. So if you want to get shoutouts on my channel, first of all, you have to comment down below why you like my channel and which video is your favorite till date. And the second step which you can follow is to put a screenshot of this video on your Instagram pages, tag me, and then I'm going to choose the shoutout winners randomly for the next week. This is a weekly basis, so do not go comment or do not take a screenshot of a previous video. Take screenshot of this very video and then share it with all your friends. That's it, and I hope I'm going to announce the winners next week, only if I make a video, obviously, because I'm not really active right now, but I'll hope that I can make a video. So bye guys.